Hi people, we're back again. Thanks for joining me. Right, she's on its side, so what we're going to do is we're going to wash it off, start cleaning some of this dirt off so we can see exactly what we're working with. We need to get the rack off. Now there's a slight problem there. It's on its side and the bolts are on the inside. So we're going to have to take the windscreen out so I can get in. Because I ain't climbing up because I don't damage doors. So pop the windscreen out, get in, rack off. The mounts have got to come back off. And we've got to strip the beam axle because it needs painting. It's very tatty. And then we can get in there and give all that a clean as well. It's only a brake line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts on the handbrake cable. Yeah. But I've got to get in the boots, which I think I can do from around there because I've got to top the shocks off. Or I can leave the shocks in. Take the arms off, because the arms have got to come off anyway. So I can just drop the inner brackets off. I might do it that way. And just undo the shock nuts. The arms have got to come off anyway to be clean, haven't they, people? Right then. What should we do first? Should we get that windscreen out? So I need a screwdriver. The chrome strip that goes around. I'll tell you what, we have to move around a bit. Get rid of this. Yeah, get rid of this. What do you mean? It's a bit better. These down here. This is why I'm thinking about moving my machine room. I want to take the machine room out there, then my chassis table can move back there, loads more space. At the minute it's not very efficient. Neck. Get in there for you people. Come on. Get them on. Ta-da! Put that in there with the other one. Get in with this now. Yeah. Love it, eh? Ugh. So, if I undo that, fuel lines, handbrake cable, which I can just disconnect here. Yeah, it goes through there, doesn't it? I'm going to take it off the hub. Right, so what I do here, disconnect handbrake cable, brake lines, and then we can get the arms out. Should be able to get to that. Gonna need a new bush. The arms are pretty good. Can't fit any plane at all. But they weren't new when I rebuilt it, so they haven't got a lot of miles on them. We find out the pins are all seized into the arms. Come on. Ugh. Pretty much think they're all going to be seized now. Yeah. Bit of a shock. You think that was going to come out of there easy? Don't mate. I think I'm going to take the lines out of the hubs. Lovely. Gosh, steady. Jesus Christ, how tight was that? Let's take my watch off. Just got my new watch. I'm still waiting for my case to come. I'll take it off. That's only going to end in money wasting. As if this wasn't enough money wasting already. Jesus. God damn. Ain't nobody got time for this. Put on new bearings, wheel bearings in these when we got them off. So. One. I think they've just cracked because they just sat in the sun. Right. Well, that was loose enough. Didn't even put up any fight. These lines are perfectly good. It's just a bit dirty. I had them made, so I know the good lines. As long as I can get the pipe through and out, pretty good. One. Oops. Two. Yeah. That's under a bit of tension, that was. Oh no, it's just a waste of shock dropping it. Right, so that's that. I want to put some spray on them. I want to snap them. Ain't got enough room anyway. Get this off. Yeah. And these beam axles don't come with toe adjust, so I just made my own, which is adjustable from the inside of the car, just to adjust the toe. Otherwise you haven't got any on these beams, and the beams aren't really reliable for being square. Let me get that split pin out of there. There we go. Go on. Terrible. Ah. Ta-da! One down. One to go. And that's got to come off because that's stuck on. Right, so now we've stripped the arms out. This beam ain't that bad. There's a little bit on this box section here. This solid bar. So I think I'm just going to clean that up. So this here is really clean. And the heel board's clean behind it. So do we really want to disturb these big bolts? We all know what they're like, don't we? Yeah? So I think first now we need to give this a bit clean. Well, I know the arms need some work anyway, and they can get cleaned up now, and yeah, we'll start cleaning this, I think. Let's have a go, shall we? Right, that's a bit cleaner, isn't it? Now I'm hoping you can see, well, I can see just how pretty clean this thing is. You see all the heel board and everything. It's all really clean. Boot floor. Bit of paint flakage, but I'll live with that. The actual floor itself, it's really tidy. It's just loads of dirt. Yeah? All this is just a bit of surface. So we'll have a look at that when I can get it back on its side to see what's going on. Yeah? A bit of water on the inside, but gave these a clean. It's all solid, bulkhead solid. I did this repair when I was a young lad, probably mid 2000s, early 2000s, something like that. Give the bulkhead a clean. So yeah, you can see now it looks much tidier, doesn't it? It's not actually going to take that much cleaning. You get a wire brush on the grinder with a drill. Clean all these back. Put some anti-rust paint. Give it all a coat of black. All these little bits on the wire wheel that. Paint everything. Get it all nice and black under here. All new bungs. And then we'll I've got to send the subframe. Get that cleaned. Painted. To be honest, I could probably do it myself. Because it's not that bad. Have a think about it. See if I want to do it all myself. Instead of spending more money on it when I know it's going to be for sale. Because I'm not going to keep it. I can't keep two. Three. I've got 3 minutes. Can't keep more. Right. That's just a little quick one. Next one, we're going to be cleaning all this back. Giving it a paint. And we'll do the arms as well. We'll drop new wheel bearings in them. Right. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you in the next one.